Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add calendar or event calendar to Squarespace. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing we need to do here is we first have to access our Squarespace website, and from here what we need to do next is we need to visit a third-party website for us to add our event calendar. So in this case, we'll be using Elfsight. So in this case, go to elfsight.com, sign up to their platform, but once you're signed up, you're now ready to actually start creating your widgets. Now, to create your event calendar, what we need to do is we need to go to the widget section here, go ahead and click on widgets, and from here go to the search bar here and just type in the following, which is event calendar. Press and enter, and you should be able to see the widget for event calendar. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on it. And what we need to do next is we need to start editing our widget. Now in this case, choose the appropriate template that you want to use. So maybe I want to use this template here. Now in this case, let's go ahead and click on continue with this template. And from here, you could go ahead and start editing your specific events. Like for example, if you want to remove a specific section, you go and click on actions here, delete on this one. As you can see, it's now decreased. In this case, you could go ahead and click on it again, delete until one is only remaining here. Now from here, you could go ahead and click on the three dot again. You could go ahead and click on edit here, and you should be able to see or edit some details about it. Like for example, the event name, the start, end, and if it is actually a all-day event. Now also, you can change the time zone here, the repetition of this event here, the image, event type, venue, host, tags they want to use, custom event color, buttons, videos, if you have those. Now in this case, you could go ahead and edit whatever that you want to add here. Start adding your events. Now in this case, if you want to add a new one, just click on add event here and fill out all the necessary details here. Now in this case, when you go to the layout section here, you should be able to choose what layout you want to show. Now in this case, we have list, grid, masonry, slider, month, week, and day. Now just to give you an idea, I'm going to duplicate this one so that you'll be able to see a look of what we have right now. So in this case, is the grid, masonry, slider. Now in this case, we are going to use the list here. And you also have the option to change the appearance. For example, the background, the padding for it, the vertical and horizontal, the headings, the events, the pop-up, and custom CSS if you're familiar with using CSS. And also, you have your settings here. Like for example, view event details on pop-up, the formats, and a lot more. In this case, you could go ahead and edit your widget here. But once done, just click on add to website for free. Now it's going to start saving your widget here, and it's going to load up your page again, and you should be able to see this UI here. In this case, go ahead and click on the publish at the top right of your screen, and from here, choose the free plan here. Just click on select, and from here, you should be able to see the embed code for that specific widget. In this case, let's go ahead and click on copy code. Go back into our website here, and from our website, we want to specify a location or a section that we want to add our widget. In this case, go ahead and click on add block at the top left. And from here, choose the embed option here. Click on the edit button here. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to click on code snippet. Now from here, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and click on embed data, paste the following code. And from here, we could go ahead and go back into our website here. And from here, you should be able to add your embed code. Now in this case, sometimes you'll get this one. So in this case, I would suggest you to click on preview on safe mode, and you should be able to see your current look for your widget here. Now in this case, you could go ahead and reposition it in any way that you want. So in this case, you could go ahead and reposition it as you would. Just click on save at the top left, and you could basically change a few things here. Like for example, if you want to make it a lot bigger, you can go ahead and do that. Or if you want to change a few sections, like for example, you can go to code snippet again. And from here, you can go ahead and go to embed data and change a few things here. Like for example, the div class here. If you want to make the div a lot bigger, you could go ahead and do that and specify it in here. And in this case, that's how you actually add your event calendar here. In this case, you could use either link or code snippet here. And from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.